Well, there it is. As I was talking to you guys yesterday in regards to things just don't seem to stop breaking. And there's that capacitor that I was talking about. Welcome to another edition of the Carter Hour. I got to remove that guy. Takes him down, and I've located another one local in town here for not too much money, but again, it's still too much for me. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this right here, and hopefully I can do it. I'm going to try to get some light on here. Maybe I can set the camera back here a little bit. Hopefully you guys can see that. And oh, it doesn't like me at all. All right. Hopefully this is the right size. Yep. Looks that way. Oh, I don't know about this cap right here. I don't know if it's still charged or what. Let's see, go on. Not for the fan run anyway. Alright, let's see what we got. Flash it down. So that's, I think, let's get it in the light over here. Okay, so I don't see any bulging, but yet again, that doesn't really, it's still leaking from somewhere. It looks like it's leaking from the ring around there. Found one in town for 10 bucks. It's $4 more than online. I got my multimeter down here. Hopefully I do. Maybe I don't. Ah, here we go. Alright, let's see. K ohms. So it looks like it is at 10.00. I'm assuming that's milliohms. Right there. I don't know. Oh, wait. Something I didn't notice. And that could be just a paint mark, but something there. But it looks like it's leaking the electrolyte. It really does. So I think it's safe to say that that capacitor has blown out. So what I'll do is I'll get the new one. We'll do an ohm test on that as well and see where it goes. Sorry about my messy desk here, but see what happens. So here we are. I got the new capacitor, and it's a little bit shorter than the other one. This one's made in Mexico as well, so it's not made in China like a lot of them are now. And it's still at 10 microfarad, plus minus 6%. This one does 440 and 370, where this one was just a 370. But all the specs match up, so I'm going to go ahead and plug it in and stick it in, and we'll see where we go from there. So hang out, and we'll see what happens. So hopefully you can see what I'm doing here. And I'll go ahead and connect all this stuff up. It makes me nervous because it doesn't offer me a lot of working room. But see what happens. Oh, I see what they do. Hopefully that stays in place and nothing's touching. I've got the tape on. I'm going to go ahead and take the tape off here. Well, actually, I'm going to tape back on. See, fire up the fan and see if it works. Well, it looks like it's working like it should. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I know the furnace is dirty. I'm either gonna clean it a little bit when I get a new filter and then have a company come out and do a service on the machine. And now it seems like it's running properly. And let's go see. Oh yeah, it's blowing out. Got the furnace working again. New capacitor. I'm gonna buy an extra one just in case. And hopefully this happens again, I'll have an extra one and I can swap it out at any time. I got to do that with the air conditioner outside too. Even though I gotta say, for 15 years running out of capacitor, that's pretty good, especially for a cheap one like that was. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it's been another edition of the Carter Hour. Got my furnace fixed for 10 bucks. That was a blessing. And so go ahead and try to turn the air conditioning on and see if we get some cool air in the house. Alright, for another edition, hopefully you guys are staying safe out there, and I appreciate your thoughts and your comments and your subscriptions and everything like that. So anyways, wish everybody the best, and we'll talk to you soon for another edition of the Carter Hour. Take care.